how to write blogs with AI. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video because it's very easy to do. So all you basically want to do is search for ChatGPT. Now over here is ChatGPT. Now this is an AI made by OpenAI. It is totally free and it's like one of the best when it comes to doing what it is supposed to do for this type of stuff. So essays, articles, blogs, scripts, whatnot, and whatever. And also just answering basic questions that you might just not know. Once you're here in ChatGPT, it's actually super easy to do. So what you want to do is simply type in, write a blog about crocodiles. And then you can simply click on send. And now it will write a blog for me. Now, the good thing is it will sort of write it in the blog format. So if I were to ask write an essay about crocodiles, it will write it in a different format. And if I would ask write a script or write article, then it will also sort of like change the format of how it's going to like write this out. And the cool thing is that since this is a chat, I can also, by the way, regenerate this response if I didn't like it. But what I can also do is go into more detail. So write a blog about crocodiles. And then this is a pretty like basic blog, but I can also go into more detail about the crocodiles. And I can combine like the answers it has given me with the blog, because once it knows what you're talking about, it will get better answers and you can go deeper and deeper in a sort of like conversation. It's like you're having a chat with someone, but of course it's the AI. But over here, for example, I also had read an article and then I also ask what is the current state of Bitcoin, and then I ask for example, oh, this is also a great tip. You can also say instead of simply write a blog, you can also say write a 100-word blog about crocodiles. And now I can simply click on enter and it will try to go for exactly like 100 words. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's basically all there is to it. So I hope this very quick video helped you out and I will see you next time.